World Red Cross Day salno thui rima panda songchajakha.
Red Cross Society Tripura State Branch ni bukhakti World Red Cross Day salno palai thui rima panda songchajakha. Panda nograi engai manjakha hastefa intro shena reddi nalo shakh muchung lukutru bana bukhak nahare thui ya fanai roknobo khakwar bai kha kaham ya fri thui rina fainai rok bai kok shakha hastefa.
Conducting health camps or organizing blood donation drives, your unwavering commitment has fortified Tripura's resilience. Today we inaugurate a two-day program that epitomizes the essence of keeping humanity alive. The blood donation camp inaugurated today is not just a medical endeavor, but a collective act of empathy. Each drop of blood donates is a lifeline, a gesture that binds us in shared humanity. I urge every able citizen to donate blood, for in giving we receive the greatest reward, the knowledge that we have saved a life. Tomorrow our Chief Minister will create the public program and blood donation camps will extend to all districts of Tripura. This decentralized efforts ensure that no corner of our state is left untouched by the spirit of service. To the volunteers, doctors and staff of the Red Cross, your tireless efforts often go unseen, but they are the backbone of this noble institution. You are the unsung heroes who keep humanity alive. Even in the darkest hours, let us take a moment to uphold your dedication. As President of the Tripura State Red Cross, I call upon every citizen to embrace the ethos of service, whether through donating blood, volunteering, or simply helping a neighbor. Each act of compassion fortifies our collective future. In the words of Henry Donat, the founder of Red Cross, we are not saints, but we must never tolerate injustice. Let this day renew our pledge to uphold justice, dignity and humanity for all. May the event of these 2 days inspire a wave of goodwill across Tripura. Together, let us ensure that the flame of humanity burns brighter than ever. Make the myth of donating the blood will affect the health. It is very much helpful in all the ways. We are at the edge of tension at borders. Let us unite despite religion, caste and creed, more together and strengthen the nation. इस संदर्भ में मैं एक ही चीज बोलना चाहता हूँ. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग ब्लड डोनेशन करने के लिए आते हैं. जब आते हैं तो इधर बेड्स जो है लेने वाले जो हैं वो कम होते हैं, तो 1 घंटा 2 घंटा रुकना पड़ता है. उसलिए कभी कभी प्रॉब्लम होता है. I myself gave blood donation number of times. Last year I visited MBB University. There was a blood donation camp. I want to give, but they told, sir, you are 70 plus, that's why we don't take. But I have given number of times. Giving blood to donate करने से कोई लॉस नहीं है. कभी भी देख सकते हैं, कितने बार भी देख सकते हैं, फिर अपने पास फिर वो आ जाता है खुद. डॉक्टर्स बोलते हैं कि 3 महीने में एक बार, हर 3 महीने में भी देख सकते हैं, ऐसे हैं. तो अपन वो लेके सबसे सस्ता जो आदमी दे सकते हैं वो ब्लड डोनेशन है. बाकी के लिए कोशिश करना पड़ता, मगर ब्लड डोनेशन देने के लिए कोई जेबी से देने का नहीं है या किसी के से लेके देने का नहीं है। तो इसको अपन ध्यान में रखते हुए सब लोगों को, त्रिपुरा के हर आदमी को मैं ब्लड डोनेशन करने के लिए मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय त्रिपुरा।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, खुम्पुई।